Okay guys, so I'm kind of trying to diagnose a problem in my Mazda Speed 3 here. I have increased road noise when I'm driving down the road, and I'm also getting a thud. It's minor when I'm driving straight, but the road noise is really loud. But whenever I take a left turn, it actually, you can hear the thud, or I guess it's not a thud, but it's sort of like rubbing or some sort of noise that does correlate to the speed that you're going. So it sounds like this. And when I go right, I guess I get a little bit of a hum. As you can hear. It gets louder when I'm spinning. So I did figure out what the problem was from that noise you guys heard from the previous video. It is what I thought it was. It is actually a wheel bearing. I didn't think it was at first because I pushed on these and there's actually not a lot of play, or there's none whatsoever play in the actual tire. That's another common sign for it, if you can actually like move your tire and it tilts back and forth. But if you spin this, you can probably hear it. There's a little bit of a noise, and also if you hold on to your strut system right here and I spin the tire, just like that, I can feel vibration in this spring right here. So that's another common sign for a wheel bearing that's actually gone too. So if you guys do have that issue, I'm just changing my oil actually right now. But if you guys do have that issue, as you can hear over here, there's no noise whatsoever. Right, and there's no vibration in the spring. So again, wheel bearing, it kind of sucks because I did just get this wheel bearing fixed like less than 10,000 kilometers ago. Actually, right when I did my, around 8,000 kilometers ago, I guess. It's usually when I do my oil changes. But yeah, so I'm gonna go back to the guy who's got it done, because these ones you have to have like some sort of press to put the wheel bearing on. Other than that, kind of sucks, but yeah, he's gonna fix this for me for probably cheaper, because seeing that, you know, he might have torqued the axle bolt too much when he put the tire on or whatever. But anyways, if you guys are having that issue, hopefully that helps, and you're gonna hear that extra cabin noise in your car for that wheel bearing. So yep.